Okay, you guys, so I don't like recording on my phone because then we have too many weird problems in the editing process. But guess who's running out of pre-recorded content? Me. So I'm like, why not? Let me come back at them again. Oh, shoot. So obviously I'm working right now. I have 2 patients in rooms, and then I have 2 that need to be room, but I'm going to wait till these other ones leave before I bring more in. Okay, you guys, so this is just me drawing up some marcaine to mix with some Kenalog. I basically pretty much do this every day, at least like 3 or 4 times a day. That's just something that the physician I work for, he really likes to use. It's marcaine and Kenalog, so I'm like extra used to it. He doesn't even like say the names of the drugs anymore. He just be like 2 mLs, half a ml, or 1 ml, and 2 mLs, whatever. He just expects me to know what he wants, basically, which I kind of do now. Okay, guys, so I also had this extra footage of me setting up a tray. I think this was a suture tray, but honestly, I can't remember, but it was some tray for some procedure. And as you guys watch this, I just want to say I know this is not sterile, so don't come for me. Since we are just a primary care, not like an urgent care or ER, so most of our trays aren't fully sterile. They're just semi-sterile because honestly, it's the best you can get with like a one-person team. So we just try and do everything as clean and as sterile as possible. But obviously, you know, in school they show you the videos like don't bend over the tray, don't do this, don't do that. But sometimes in reality it's just semi-sterile. You just cannot create that environment unless you are in a hospital doing like straight up surgery. And then this is the finished product. So I have a coat on because it's super cold, and I just realized, what was that? Oh, got a notification. Anyways, I just realized today's been slow, and all I've really been doing is kind of like schoolwork and then just chilling. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is what my life is becoming again. Like, why did I drop out of college in the first place? Like, this is a current view of my desk. Planner. Trying to motivate myself to start filling in my planner earlier, so this hasn't came yet, but so then the next day, this is me doing some cleaning, and I know the MAs out there hate when that paper runs out because it's just so annoying to change, or at least it is for where I work. And then sometimes I clean in the morning, sometimes I clean at night. It literally just depends on what I have going on that day. But this time I'm cleaning in the morning because I probably rushed out. Okay, you guys, so this week I was in charge of sterilizing the instruments, and there's just a lot that goes along with that. So you see me making this soapy mixture with sterile water, and then this is me thinking that I knew how to work the autoclave, but obviously I did not, because you see the stuff I'm taking out, it wasn't even sterile the whole time, and I basically had to redo the whole thing because I didn't do it right. So eventually I figured out how everything works, and I got down to business. And this is just the other autoclave. Oh, how do you say it? The other one that we use for the pap smear tools, basically. I know this thing has a name, but
to a gas. The official term is called vaporization. But if you're at home making your macaroni and cheese, what do you call it? Boiling. Yeah. So there's actually 2 types of vaporization. There's boiling and there's evaporation.
yeah, so I still have a patient at 4:10, and I'm already packed up and ready to go. Like, I'm just ready to go. I've ever just been like, ugh, I'm going home. I feel like I need a shower, and then I have a class tonight, freaking chemistry. Don't even please don't get me started on that chemistry class. I'm not even about to go there, you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm probably gonna have to end up doing like some real narration over everything, because as I'm sitting here, I just realized that I'm supposed to be doing something. And that's so part of the problem, is because I've literally just been so busy and so tired. So let me go back to doing this whole instrument thing, and then I'm kind of gonna, like, I don't know, I guess talk through what you guys are gonna see, so that it kind of makes a little bit of sense, because y'all know everything is chaotic with me. It never really makes a whole lot of sense. Okay, guys, so I just had to make sure there's nothing behind me that says my clinic name on it. But anyway, so what I had to go do this morning when I was like kind of rudely interrupted by myself was go clean the instruments, which is what I've been doing at my job, because between the MAs, like, you get scheduled for a week to do instruments, which I don't like. I just feel like everybody should clean up their own stuff, because it just stresses me out even more, on top of trying to finish all my work. So I actually had a patient with super high blood pressure. Like, I couldn't believe it, but then the physician ended up checking again, and it really was super high. Okay, you guys, so I am in bed right now editing all the MA footage that I have. I look like a little boy. I can't. So I just kind of wanted to come and end the video out, since I never really officially did that. It's really kind of, all that stuff really happened in the same week. So yeah, it's just crazy. So it's just like a week of me showing you guys what I do as an MA. Obviously the video could have been better done or better in depth, but at the end of the day, like, y'all, I've been working so hard and doing a lot of different stuff. So that's why the video is kind of all over the place. But I do hope you guys, sorry, my lips are so dry. I do hope you guys stick with me and subscribe and enjoy my content, because it's going to be more coming soon. I know I always say that, but your girl is like literally in the process of getting her life together, like for real. Y'all, what y'all think about these lashes? I think they look kind of, I don't know, simple, natural, not like the other ones I've been wearing. But today somebody asked me like, oh, did you go get your lashes done? And I was like, sis, I just glued these on. Okay, anyway, getting so off topic. I'll see you guys in my next video.